Dosetec is a family company founded in 1954, and our first and earliest products were simple mechanical scales for agricultural industry and warehouses, basically. Dosetec manufactures recipe-based dosing systems for food industry and various other industries as well. And I think our most developed product is this sourdough handling equipment, because this sourdough production method dates back centuries. Our goal is to cherish the old baking traditions and convert these practices to modern industrial form. Our style of innovation is to involve the customer to the process as much as possible. We like to communicate with the same language as the customer, so to speak. We are interested in the real problems the customer is facing in his everyday life, and we want to find solutions for those. Dosetec is a flexible and reliable partner, and we have very solution-oriented approach in everything we do. And good references and high customer satisfaction creates a good foundation for the future.